Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will walk you through a neat trick on how to add the motion blur effect using CapCut right on your desktop. Let's dive right in. First, launch your CapCut application. Bring in the video clips you wish to edit and add these clips to your track. Here I already placed the video clips that we are going to use as an example for today's tutorial. Now, let's duplicate these clips, placing the duplicated video clips right above the originals. Now let's add the blur effect to these clips. To do that, navigate to the Effects section, then expand Video Effects. Select Nightclub, locate the blur effect, then add it. Adjust the duration of the blur effect to match the length of your video clips. Then, within the effect details, which you'd find at the top right side of the screen, reduce the range from 100 to 0 and the blur from 100 to 60. Go ahead and create a compound clip of your duplicated clips with the blur effect by grabbing the duplicated video clips and effect. Right-click and select the Create Compound Clip option. Now we'll add keyframes to the compound clip. Use your original video clips as your guide for the placement of these keyframes. Slide the white line to the center of your first video clip. Next, add position, size, and blend keyframes to the compound clip. Then, move the white line to the end of that same video clip and similarly add keyframes here. This process needs to be replicated for all of your clips. The last step is to control the opacity in your keyframes. Reduce the opacity for each keyframe at the center of your video clips, but keep end keyframes at full opacity. Do that until you reach the last end keyframe. The result? A stunning alternating motion blur effect. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.